How to change the Facebook phone number. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner and then click on this gear icon. Here inside settings, move into account center. It will land you on this interface. Head over to personal details and then move into contact info. Your phone number will be visible to you. Click on it and then click on delete number. Now once again, if you tap on delete, your number will be deleted successfully. And once it is done, you need to go back and click on add new contact. Tap on add mobile number. Here you will need to enter the number that you wanted to change. Once you have entered the number, tap on next and your phone number will be successfully changed and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change your phone number on Facebook. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.